It's another beautiful day in Colorado Springs. It's a new trail day. We're at Cheyenne Mountain State Park. Oh nice, a bike station. Yeah, we'll take a Zook to Talon. Watch out for bears and mountain lions. There's Cheyenne Mountain. So this place is pretty sweet. They have maps pretty much stationed at every intersection. Oh, it's icy. So before you get off Talon, make sure you check out this overlook. So the plan today is to ride Talon and then take South Talon and North Talon loop. It's be a good day. You can see Fort Carson over there. And then Schriever Air Force Base is just out far in the distance. All right, we're still on Talon, heading to South Talon. And the plan is to ride that trail counterclockwise. Looks like it has a better descent that way. All right, brother, let's do this. Great. Woo. So that was South Talon. We're back on Talon. Now we're gonna hit up North Talon. We're gonna go in a clockwise direction on North Talon. Good amount of climbing on this trail. That means there's a good downhill coming up. Have a good ride. Yeah. How you doing? Well, hi. Thanks. Oh, thanks. That's two. Really busy here. So we just finished up. So Brad, what do you think? Your thoughts?
Good trail. Watch out for people.
Yeah.
Popular trail, so.
Yeah.
But fun route though.
Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm here with Brad. Check out his channel. He'll be posting this pretty soon.
Will do. Also,
a pro tip. If you want to be a better rider, ride with someone better than you. And they got to have Brad here. He's been teaching me a lot, so thank you, brother.
Any day.
All right. See you later.